Hi guys, I haven't made a video in quite some time, but just been busy, you know. Right, so this is what happened, guys. There, I was actually trying to extend this one. I'm gonna take that off, so I'm gonna run this all the way down there because whenever it rains, the water keep just in this spot, right? So I wanted to take this down, bring it around here, all the way down, yeah. Right, like so. So I'm gonna attach this bit today, go all the way down there. But while I was digging a trench with this, right, this bit, straight into there like so. Right? So that's what happened. Like so. So what I'm gonna do now is get another 4-inch, like so. That's a 4-inch. It's fine. I just find this in the dumpster. So basically this is a 4-inch. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut it in two. So I'm gonna lose that bit, and I'm gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna clean this bit up, and then I'm gonna put it in there like so. Right? That's how I'm gonna patch it up, and then I'm gonna use this PVC pipe adhesive I'm gonna use this adhesive to actually put it all over it, and then stick it on, and then I have a couple of cable ties. It's gonna tie it around it just to make sure that it holds properly. So first I'm gonna take that off. What I'm gonna do, just gonna clean this up really well, and then after I clean that up, I'm gonna make sure it's dry. I'm gonna use one of these just to clean it up like so. Just set it in here. Just clean it up. You can see a lot of dust. Best you wear your gloves when doing this. Alright, clean up the edges. Alright. Alright, you can see I clean this up. So it's like so. And clean these edges around here, because you don't want when you put it over the pipe, you're gonna have like little pieces here that bulge out, right? So just want to make sure these hedges, clean them ones here, and clean them ones there, right? Right, and over here now, you want to make sure that this bit is dry and clean. Right? Okay. Just kind of rough it up. So the more you make it a little bit, ridge the edge, not the edge, but a little bit, the better this would hold to that and this. So let's see how it fits. There you go. And make sure that you cover the hole. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a couple of markings here and here where the hole is. Alright, so make sure you get this bit, all of the areas where, and make sure all the dirt come off where, because this is gonna sit about here. So right, so you know, this is clean. It's clean. As I said, the reason why I put the mark in here, just to know where the hole is. So put the mark in there. That's it. See? So I put the mark in there. So when I put this on, I know exactly that it's covered. So I could use this as my guide. Alright. Alright. So this is just the same pipe, same 4-inch that I cut into. Yeah. I just cut into, clean this up. Right, so now I'm gonna put this on here like so. Let me see which bit is best. Nah, yeah, like so. So, right, so I know where the hole is, so I know I need to put all this adhesive stuff all along here, all along here, all along here, under the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so let's get this open. Let's get this open. Oh, that is broken. So, guys, this bit you gotta move really quick, right? You know what I'm saying? You gotta go really quick. Listen, because this stuff dries quickly. So, there's a brush. Normally it's come with a brush. Let's see if I could get the brush out. Right. There you go. Always wear your gloves for this stuff. Just put it all over it. Alright. Just slap it on like so. Right. Alright, so you could just put some in here as well. Put some on the bottom. There, all over. Alright, so put some there. Alright, so you know it's gonna hold. Let's put it down. And then you just put this on like so. Make sure that the hole is covered. Like so. There you go. Always wear gloves. Alright. And then just gonna put this over it like so. Right, and then just put your cable ties in there. So we're gonna give it some time for it to dry because he said 24 hours. And after 24 hours, I'm just gonna cover it up with the dirt, and that's it. That's how you fix it, okay? And just give it some time to dry, and then you know should be all right. Yeah. So that's what it is. So the only thing you would need for this project would be you just need this, and I just used this like so, just to cut that bit, and so that's all the tools you need for that. You know what I'm saying? Because if you try to put a coupling, right, a coupling won't work. Okay, if you try to use a coupling, never work, because to get this on there and there, you're gonna have to lift up. You're gonna have to dig up all of this so you could get this coupling on. Well, you might be able to get one on, but to get the other one on, you're gonna have to ice the pipe, and there's no way you could ice the pipe to fit this on, right? Plus you're gonna cut that bit out as well. Well, I couldn't use this because the gap between where the hole is bigger than the coupler. See, the coupler is supposed to be there. See, and look at the markings. You see where the markings are? You can see the marking. The hole is bigger than the coupler. So even if I wanted to use this, I wouldn't be able to. Because look, see? Right, so that's how you fix it, guys. So thanks for watching. And I'll be having more videos and more videos coming in. Alright guys.